Behind the scenes, behind the lines, inside the stories others won't tell. The Morning Insiders.
Priests and chaplains are bravely risking their own lives and their health to pray alongside COVID-19 patients, sometimes for their last rites. The Archdiocese of Chicago formed a small group willing to do those bedside prayers. Well, Morning Insider Tim McNicholas learned the Archdiocese is also taking steps to protect the priests.
St. Columbane's Church is live streaming Sunday Mass from the South Side.
We're invited to grow in our life of faith.
And posting words of encouragement to YouTube from Father Matt O'Donnell, all in the name of social distancing.
So the biggest change has been trying to find a way to stay connected to people.
But for Father O'Donnell, some things need to be face-to-face.
So far I've been able to visit one patient who is confirmed to have COVID-19.
He's one of about 24 priests or chaplains in the Archdiocese of Chicago who volunteered to visit hospital rooms and homes to pray alongside COVID-19 patients. Father O'Donnell says he got his first call just one day after he first volunteered. A COVID-19 patient's family wanted him at the hospital as soon as possible. He administered the anointing of the sick, a sacrament often given to people who are ill or near death.
The encouragement that was offered to me was to pray as quickly as I was able to in that moment.
The hospital gave him personal protective gear to wear for the bedside prayer.
And David gives us a great example.
The Southside pastor says he wore gloves as he did the sign of the cross with blessed oil on the patient's forehead and hands.
Being able to pray with people in their last hours or days or moments, or even just to be there to give a presence of hope for a family is really important to me.
Now a Southside company is supplying the Archdiocese with 24 face shields for priests and chaplains visiting COVID-19 patients. Bridgewater Studio is a design company that's reprogrammed their machines to cut the plastic shields during the outbreak. The Archdiocese says priests and chaplains will use the shields when they visit COVID-19 patients at their homes.
The people that will visit are people who are sick, who need that prayer, that blessing, that encouragement, and are on the road to recovery. And it'll also be the individuals who are in danger of death.
We're invited to grow in our life of faith.
It's one of the few times he'll break from social distancing, and he says he's ready to go to another hospital room whenever he's needed. Tim McNicholas, CBS 2 News.
Now, O'Donnell says one reason he volunteered to visit the COVID-19 patients is because he is young and healthy and he wants to make a difference.